What's up, my bees? It's your King of the Bees 2. Today, guess what came in the mail? Yep, it's time to unbox this. Now, I loved What If Season 1. It was really good. Like, did you know that Seth Green plays Howard the Duck in this show? Including Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. You do see him, I believe, in Volume 2 as a post-credit scene. No, actually, 1. You see him in 1 at the post-credit scene. And Seth Green did a great job as Howard the Duck. So, for me to get I really am excited to get back into What If. I believe Season 2 now. And I believe there's a Season 3 coming out, so now I really got to get caught up. So, let's open this, shall we? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so, wait, okay. Well, you know what? Just, oh. It's like we got ourselves a t-shirt here, my bees. Let's see what it is. Come on. Oh, it's the tape stuck. Alright, you know what? Okay. Ooh. Let's see this bad boy. Look at that. That's Captain Carter. I believe that's Tony Stark from that one episode. As a t-shirt. I'm definitely rocking this for What If Season 2. Right, let's put that away. See what else we got here. Ooh, we got a Captain Carter pen. Yeah, look at that. Let me see that. Hold up. Let me see if I can just. Hold up. Yeah, there it is. Oh, this is cool. I'm definitely wearing this. Save that for the. Ooh, Star-Lord sticker. Yeah, I believe this is the T'Challa Star-Lord episode though, so that's pretty dope. I'm definitely probably sticking this, probably on my Nintendo Switch or on my refrigerator, definitely. Okay. Oh, ooh, what's this? We got the Collector. I remember this guy, Jeff Goldblum's character, as a Pop Funko. Look at that. Yeah. This is pretty nice. This is nice, my bees. Alright. Oh! Before I show this character, RP to Natasha Romanoff. After seeing Hawkeye, man, still it like you saw the pain that Jeremy Renner's character went through with the show Hawkeye, because that actually did pee me off when you found out in Loki Season 1 that the Infinity Stones were paper thins. It's messed up, man. Anyway, here she is, Black Widow. Yep, post-apocalyptic Black Widow as a Pop Funko. And that is my unboxing of What If. Maybe it's like, oh, never mind, hold up. And here you'll get a card that shows you what came in your What If box, or Marvel Collector Corps box. Let's read this, shall we? What if Amazon and Funko joined forces for a new box full of infinite possibilities. What if? That box included pop vinyl bobbleheads of post-apocalyptic Black Widow, and the collector a Star-Lord T'Challa decal, a t-shirt featuring Captain Carter and the Hydra Stomper, and a Captain Carter shield pin. What if this amazing Marvel box was right within your grasp? It's a Marvel Studios What If box. Oh, I was not supposed to show you on the back, but since you already saw it, coming soon, our September theme is Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. Or Shang-Chi. I meant to say Shang-Chi. So yeah, my bees, this is really... I can't believe it just came in. I was not expecting that. I was really not expecting that, because when I saw the date of it, it was supposed to come here on January 19th. That sounded so goddamn wrong. But I can't believe it, yo. And I'm sorry, my bees, like, I'm watching a 3C Films thing, but that's not what important is. This is awesome. Anyway, my bees, this has been your King of the Bees unboxing What If, the Marvel Collector's Corpse box from Amazon that I bought. And if you liked my unboxing of What If, Marvel Collector Corpse box, why not sing that subscribe button, sing that like button, sing that notification bell anytime I upload a new video, and comment down below how should I do this? Comment down below what other boxes I should, like, definitely unbox, because you know, I'm thinking about getting that Loot Fright, I believe. Yeah, Loot Fright, that's what it's called. Because because I'm a huge horror fan, and when I looked at the site, I was like, there's no way that there's loot, that they have horror iconic memories in a box, in a one box. I'm also thinking about doing actually, you know what? I'm gonna just list them all for you, okay? I think I might do Loot Fright, Loot Crate, Loot Anime, Loot Taku, a TMNT box, definitely. What else? Another one of these. Yeah, another one of these. But man, this is cool. And let's see. Probably like movie boxes too. What am I even saying right now? But yeah, movies. What else? I definitely would do the Geek Fuel EXP, I think that's what it's called, and then there's another Marvel one. I can't remember the other other ones, but this right here was amazing. My bees, like, five stuff in here that is legit. Like, I got 2 Pop Funkos. I'm definitely gonna put them on my shelf, definitely. And I'm definitely rocking this t-shirt while doing reactions. I think I'm gonna actually have my own Patreon. That's what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do for What Ifs. And just streaming shows and my TV show reactions and my movie reactions. If that works perfectly well, I think it would. But maybe this is... I'm so happy right now, man. Like, I wasn't expecting this box here to be early. This is awesome, man. Like, look at this. Look at this. My favorite Marvel characters in one box. Including the man himself, the actor who plays the villain in Thor Ragnarok, Jeff Goldblum. Bloom. Yeah, Jeff Goldblum. Finally, I'm not messing it up because in my past videos I said Blum. It's Bloom, not Blum. But my bees, I'm definitely gonna react to What If season 2 because I gotta get caught up with this, yo. I really do. And the first season was really good. Like, I enjoyed it. Anyway, my bees, this has been your King of the Bees, just, you know, unboxing this. And I might definitely think of putting the description down below where you can get your own Marvel Collector's Corpse box. Anyway, this has been this is your King of the Bees off this unboxing video, and as always, my bees, stay brave and oh Jesus Christ, stay brave and stay humble, my bees. This was a happy day for me, man. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you.